acquired and then held on to Bitcoin for a period of years, it would grow over time due to its designed scarcity. And then we could use that to backfill some of the national debt that we are building up. In fact, if we would hold 1/5 of the world's Bitcoin for 20 years, we could cut our national debt by either 1/3 or 1/2, depending on how Bitcoin grows. So I see it as an important backstop to have. But in addition to that, it helps us shore up the US dollar as the world reserve currency. So it is a store of value that I think is an important asset the U.S. should hold. We know that states are holding it. We know that China and other governments around the world are holding it because they understand its strategic value.